make of this situation, my man? What do you make of this?
Right now,
Professional wrestling.
I'm sorry to Greg Price. I'm sorry, brother. Right now, we are in what we call the state of hospice. Hospice is the state where you take your loved ones, the people you love more than life itself, and you take them and you put them in the bed where they will become eternal forever and a day. To go see the man in the sky. And the man in the sky. And the man in the sky tonight is Dana White. Dana White, please put this business and this industry out of the misery they've caused for themselves. Vince McMahon, Jim Herd, Eric Bischoff, Vince Russo, Ed Ferrara, you are responsible for this. All I want to see is to be laid to bed forever and a day. And please, make it happen, not tomorrow, not the day after, but tonight, right now, in Charlotte. The sooner, the better. Please, end it all.